Da, da, da. Hi, okay. From Bookers. That's your invoice. Can I have your signature in this box, please?
Yeah. Just needs unloading in the back, is that alright?
On the back, yeah?
You just need to bring it in here and then you just need to unload it because you need to take the cage. So
Yeah.
you know where to store it.
So you want the cage on it?
In there. Yeah, just bring
Yeah,
it in here
yeah.
and then you just have to unload it first, that's alright.
Okay. Thank you. Cheers, mate.
You can bring the other cage in if you want to, just 'cause it's got the cigarettes on, hasn't it? I don't want him leaving out there.
Yeah, yeah. Yep. Okay.
When you open that door, because the cages, under the cages on the other side.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get them all.
Oh, sorry.
You can get in.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it got stuck in the. If you can go on your left side.
There you go.
Yeah. Thank
in?
you. I'm in. Let's get the party started.
Oh yeah.
So you want on the shelf, yeah?
Yeah, you can stick those. I mean,
Yeah.
I know what's on it, so it's fine.
Yeah. It's so good to see you here helping me, because the last time I've been on here, two guys, one was sitting there,
Yeah.
and the other one just he was afraid to pick up a box or something. You know? Can't help us. So you're a hard worker,
Oh yeah.
which is
We've all got unlocking, haven't we?
I appreciate that. Thank you. Hop. Now that's the heavy stuff.
Yeah, stick them up.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Those stuff, if you got space.
So, you alright, Sue?
I'll help you. This is quite.
Or is it Azza?
Yeah,
Oh, that is right.
you're quite strong.
Yeah, I'm going to the gym, work out, you know.
Yeah, do you? I'm going
alright,
as well.
Sophie?
I'm going as well.
Are they alright, yeah?
I'm going as well, but at the minute the gym is
Well, yeah,
just
I'm not
closed
at the
down.
minute. I'm having to go running instead.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you. Now. Oh, if you can leave this, just.
It's going right
I don't want to scratch something, you know.
It's alright,
It's alright, just scratch again.
Now that's the.
bit, isn't it?
It's just the wheels are not in the.
Please that, it'll do.
Yeah.
Door
I
will
know.
block it.
No problem. Just once I can open this one, that's another one. It's quite unusual. Oh. Hello. Thank you. You know what? If I can shut that one, if you can shut the other one, yeah,
Flip through a bit.
yeah,
Flip. Move out the way a second.
yeah.
You might have to just push it backwards now. But like turn it that
Yeah,
way
yeah,
a
yeah.
bit.
You should become a lorry driver.
No, maneuver it back, pull it backwards now. Go back. Go back.
Yep. That's the way.
Through.
Hey, it's quite narrow in here.
No, you're gonna also want to get cables in, to be honest.
Yeah. Well, should be okay now. Thank you. Cases. Okay. Red Bull. And now bottles. Small one. Small one. Case, no, bottle. Bottle. Big case. Op. Thank you.
I feel like I need to do my workout, seeing as though I can't go to the gym.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Keeps
Bit
you
of lifting.
keeps you fit. Anyway, you're fit, so I don't know
Wow.
if you need
You've got
so.
to try though, haven't you? Otherwise you can get pretty unfit pretty quick.
Yeah. Yeah. Yesterday I had a customer with 13 pallets.
With what?
13 pallets, you know, each pallet with half ton on it. So yeah, really hard to get. Yeah. Yeah. That will do. That's the big boy now.
Huh?
So I'll put it there. It will, or maybe you
Stick
know.
it on top of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do.
It's quite good.
All started.
You're very useful and very hard worker compared to the other guys, both of them. Both of them combined.
Lazy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There's that for
Thanks a
you.
lot, love.
I think I'll stand there.
Yeah. I'll have your autograph now.
Not many people have it, so I feel
Yeah.
privileged.
Have a lovely day.
Yeah, you too.
See you.
Stay safe.
Yeah, see you. Sorry, mate. Thank you. Să luăm și cealaltă cușcă. Cărăm de aici. You got any other cage? Is any other cage a part of this one? Yeah, that's fine. On the back, no problem. Și-au a fost drăguță. Sunt și eu drăguț.